What's up guys, Galapagos J here. I just finished the vertical storage frame for my Gokart, and now I'm going to work on the collapsible cross frame, I suppose. I don't know exactly how to call it, but it looks like this. And basically it's a portable frame where you can take to the track and stuff like that. It's very handy, and I definitely need it to replace this IKEA tabletop, because the IKEA tabletop is actually very inconvenient for when I need to, take the cart off and on. The cross frame allows me to do all of that easier, and just one person. So I'm going to start doing that, and hopefully I'll be able to finish it today, but it really is going to be a very difficult project. Anyway, let's get started. Alright guys, my cross frame is done. Bloody hell. Oh, it was a pain in the ass to do. So, this is how it hooks onto the chassis. Yeah, it hooks onto the frame that attaches to the side pods. And there's the wheels. This is the handlebar that allows you to drag it. Yep. Beautiful. Alright guys, so that was my collapsible frame. It really took me a very long time to complete it because, yeah, it's there's a lot of details that goes into it. It's just so much more complicated than the bead breaker and the vertical rack. But anyway, I finally got it done. Busted my finger in the middle of it, but it was all worth it. It's a beautiful, beautiful rack. Look at that. Now I can easily get a cart up and also get a cart down without having to get another person to help me out and lift it. So yeah, that was great fun doing it. And in the middle of this whole video shoot, there's a lot of procedures that I was like doing on the fly. I had to change some of my plans, so I forgot to record a lot of the steps. But anyway, so yeah, at least it's done. It's still missing a couple of components. It's still missing a handlebar, sort of a rubber handle, and I need to cut the horizontal bar just a little bit so that it sort of fully folds flat. And I'm going to add a Velcro strap back to it so that when I try to lift the cart, it doesn't collapse on me. So yeah, it was really a very fun process. And yeah, anyway, so that's it for today. If you enjoyed this kind of content, consider subscribing to me. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.